How to sign up for Amazon account. Want to start shopping? This guide shows you how to sign up for Amazon account so you can start buying products. First, open the Amazon shopping app and you'll see a few options like sign in or create account. Tap on the create Amazon account button. You'll need to enter your personal information including your full name, your email address or mobile number, and a strong password. It is important to choose a strong and unique password to ensure the security of your account. Once you've entered the details, tap on Create Account. Amazon will send you a verification code to your email or phone number. You'll need to enter this code to verify your account. Once your account is verified, you can start shopping and you can also add your billing and shipping address to your account. You now know how to sign up for Amazon account. Get ready to start shopping. Like and subscribe for more app tips.